All right, WMC. Sorry I rushed this mini here. We're just trying to get this run tonight here before I hit the sack. So this is the video to find our winner of my four-way winner's choice. So we'll check the time, June 20th at 10:34 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got June 20th at 10:34 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zachary. Spot 4 is your winner. So Zachary, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, June 20th, 10:34 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.